Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back out with some more wonderful information. Well, today I'm going to talk about steam dryers. Necessary or not, don't know. For me personally, everything I have is permanent press, so as soon as it's done drying, it doesn't have wrinkles on it. Not a big deal. But my brother, on the other hand, has a lot of very nice clothes that if he doesn't get to them right away, get wrinkled. Well, what we have is steam dryers. Now, previously, in the older, a long while back, steam dryers weren't around a lot. Now, they're pretty much half of the market is steam dry. What I mean by steam dry is if you look here, now we have steam cycles, okay? Now, these aren't dry your clothes all the way from the start cycles. A steam cycle is something that will help refresh and take wrinkles out of your clothes, okay? Like I said, we've got refresh, wrinkle away, and steam sanitize. Now, no, you will not be able to see steam rolling out of your dryer like it's getting all hot and steamy. No, you won't do that. How it works, each manufacturer is a little bit different on it, but for the most part, it adds water to the heat, which then makes it a humid, moist climate, which then helps the clothes basically lightly wet, re-dry, and dry straight. Now, like I said, for stuff that you have to iron, it's a very good thing. And if you come back here, I'll show you what we're talking about. Okay. Now this is where the water goes in. Okay, that's where the water goes in. This will have a pipe that will attach to your dish or your washer hose, and then it'll actually put water directly to there, and it will ask for water when it needs it and only when it needs it. Okay, so steam dryers, are they necessary? For me, no, I don't think so. But I don't have anything that needs to be, permanent press or anything along those lines. Everything I have is permanent press. Let me rephrase that. I don't have a lot of real nice button-down shirts that need to be ironed or stuff like that. But if you do, it's a great idea, and it does work. It does a very good job. But real quick over here, let's say this is manufactured. It tells you how many garments to use in the steam cycle. Okay, like I said, the steam de-wrinkle, you can have 9 to 13 garments in there, or if you wanted to steam refresh it, you can have 3 to 5. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week with some more wonderful information. Have a wonderful week and stay safe out there, people, okay?